There are many blenders on the market today, but not all of them are created equally. Some blenders work better than others for different purposes and lifestyles. To help you make the best decision for your needs, we have compiled a list of 5 of the best blenders that will be available in 2021. These models were chosen based on their popularity with consumers and professional reviews from industry experts. In this video, we will cover the best 5 blenders in 2021. Select all products depends on quality, reliability and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. This Vitamix blender is an excellent choice for those who want to make healthy smoothies, soups, and even homemade nut butter. It can also be used as a food processor or a juicer. The patented self-cleaning feature makes this blender easy to clean. Simply add warm water and soap, blend at high speed for 30 seconds and the machine will do the rest itself. Vitamix 5200 comes with a 64 ounces container that has measurement markings inside so you can accurately measure your ingredients. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 2. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System and Blender. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is a complete kitchen system with a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher that pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies. The blender includes 2 16-ounce Ninja cups with to-go lids, perfect for creating personalized, nutrient-rich drinks to take on the go. It also includes an 8-cup food processor bowl that provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. This system comes with everything you need to make your favorite recipes from scratch like dips. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 3. NutriBullet NBR1201. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries, and spinach, then push, twist, and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. NutriBullet's powerful 600-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend whole foods into liquid fuel for your body, in seconds. The NutriBullet comes with 2 cups that work interchangeably so you can create the perfect smoothie or shake every time. It also includes a milling blade that blends easily. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 4. KOIOS Immersion Hand Blender. KOIOS 12-speed immersion hand blender is the perfect kitchen tool for every chef. It has an 800-watt motor that is powered by 2 AA batteries and comes with a stainless steel blade. The 12 speeds are variable, allowing you to have total control over your cooking time and consistency of texture, while the turbo button will allow you to blend at top speed for 30 seconds. The 360-degree installation allows for seamless connection between all parts of the blender and it also keeps everything together at any speed or angle. This anti-splash immersion hand blender is easy to use. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 5. Vitamix Red 7500 Blender. The Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender is the perfect blending machine for any kitchen. With a low-profile 64-ounce container, variable speed control, and pulse feature, this blender allows you to refine textures with culinary precision. The Smart Detect system automatically adjusts power output to match the texture of your ingredients and recipe type, while 10 variable speeds allow you to fine-tune your recipes. Blend anything. From soups and smoothies to frozen drinks and nut butter, the Professional Series 750 has enough power to handle even the toughest ingredients. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links on the description. If you have any questions about these 5 products, you can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.